Today, we are going to learn about some very special and surprising plants. These plants are not like ordinary plants. Hello, friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Educational Hub. Instead of only making their own food from sunlight, they also eat insects. Yes, you heard it right. They are called carnivorous plants. Let's explore how they work and why they do this and see some famous examples. What are carnivorous plants? Most plants make food through photosynthesis. They take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make energy. But carnivorous plants usually live in places where the soil is very poor with not enough nutrients. So, to survive, they trap and eat insects and sometimes even small animals. This gives them the extra nutrition they need, especially nitrogen. Carnivorous plants are both producers, they make food by photosynthesis, and consumers, they eat insects. Number 1, pitcher plant. It has a lid on top that prevents rainwater from filling it. The inside walls are slippery and often have nectar to attract insects. When an insect lands, it slips inside and cannot climb out. The insect then falls into a liquid at the bottom which contains digestive juices that break down its body. The plant absorbs nutrients, especially nitrogen, because it grows there where nutrients are very low. Number 2, Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant that catches and digests insects. Its leaves are sharp like a trap with two lobes. On the inner surface of each lobe, there are tiny hair-like structures. When an insect touches these hairs twice quickly, the trap snaps shut in less than a second. The insect is trapped inside and the plant releases digestive juices to break it down. After digestion, about 5 to 12 days, the trap opens again, leaving behind only the insect's hard part. It is green and makes its own food with sunlight. Insects provide extra nitrogen and minerals. It is one of the fastest moving plants in the world. Each trap on a Venus flytrap can only close about 7 times in its lifetime before it stops working. The plant secretes enzymes to dissolve the soft parts of the insect. Nutrients are absorbed into the leaf. After digestion, the trap reopens. The Venus flytrap is sometimes called a snap trap plant. It only eats small insects like flies, ants, beetles, and spiders, never humans. It is also called the most wonderful plant in the world. Number 3, yellow pitcher plant. It is a tall carnivorous plant with tabular pitcher shaped leaves. The pitcher are usually yellowish green in color, sometimes with red veins inside. It produces a large drooping yellow flower in spring. Tall tabular pitcher can trap many insects at once. Inside, the surface is very slippery, so insects fall in easily. Yellow pitcher plant can grow pitchers up to 3 feet tall, making it one of the largest pitcher plants in North America. At the bottom of the pitcher, there is a pool of digestive enzymes. This is called cobra lily because its tabular leaves look like the hood of a cobra snake. The inside has transparent false windows that confuse insects trying to escape. Insects slip inside and get trapped. Cobra lily is sometimes called the California pitcher plant. It produces nectar to attract insects. Insects get confused by the false windows and slip deeper inside. The cobra lily does not make its own digestive juices. It depends on bacteria and small organisms in the fluid to digest prey. Number 5, butterwort. Butterwort is another fascinating carnivorous plant, a little sneakier and stickier than the more dramatic ones like Venus flytraps. The leaf surface is covered in tiny glands. These glands produce a sticky glue and digestive enzymes. When a small insect lands on the leaf, it gets stuck. The more it struggles, the more stuck it gets. Then the plant releases enzymes to dissolve the insect and absorb the nutrients. Number 6, monkey cup. The monkey cup is another name for pitcher plant. Why it is called monkey cup? Monkeys in the wild have been seen drinking water collected in its pitcher shaped leaves, so people call it monkey cup. Some large species of monkey cup can trap not just insects but also frogs, small lizards, or even rats. Certain animals like tree shrews and bats use the pitchers as toilets, and the plants absorb nutrients from their droppings as a natural fertilizer. Monkeys sometimes drink water from these pitchers, which is how the name monkey cup came about. The inner walls are waxy and slippery, so insects cannot climb out. The digestive liquid dissolves the insect's soft parts. The plant absorbs the nutrients, especially nitrogen and phosphorus. The leaves are shaped like deep pitchers or cups filled with liquid. The rim of the pitcher is slippery, so when insects land, they fall inside. The liquid contains digestive enzymes that dissolve and digest insects. It grows mostly in tropical rainforests where soil is poor in nutrients. Number 7, Australian sundew. Australian sundew is a type of carnivorous plant. Its leaves are covered with tiny red tentacles that shine in the sunlight, looking like they are covered with dew drops. Hence the name sundew. These tentacles have sticky glands that trap insects. Once an insect lands, it gets stuck and the tentacles slowly curl around it. The plant releases digestive juices to dissolve and absorb nutrients. There are over 100 species of sundews in Australia. The dew drops are not water but a sticky glue like liquid to catch prey. Sundews are very small but can trap insects many times their sizes. Number 8, bladderwort. The bladderwort is another fascinating carnivorous plant. It is free floating aquatic or semi aquatic plant. It has tiny bladder like traps on its stems and leaves. These bladders act like vacuum traps. When small insects or water animals touch the trap door, it sucks them in within milliseconds. The plant then releases digestive juices to absorb nutrients. They don't have true roots, they just float freely in the water. They feed on tiny water creatures. So, friends, these were some of the most interesting plants that eat insects. They are living examples of how nature is full of surprises. If you enjoyed learning about them, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing educational topics. See you next time. Bye bye.